Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can copy and import Shopify products from other stores. So you can easily import products from other Shopify stores or other stores, like it can be like WooCommerce or it can be any e-commerce website. Okay, so easily how you can do this, it's very easy. So what you guys need to do, you just need to log in into your Shopify store. Okay, I'm going to log into my new Shopify store. Okay, so after that you want to click here on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, you want to click on settings and you want to click here, it says apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify app store. Now what you guys need to do is just need to log in. I'm going to log in so that I can access my Shopify app store. All right, now here you want to search for an app. It's called Robo. Okay, this app offers you guys free trial, which is like 7 days. Okay, so just download the Robo app, click on install, and now after guys you click on install, what you guys need to do next, you want to click again on install. All right, so now what you guys need to do is just click on here, it says install our free Chrome extension. Download this extension here, click on this button that says get extension here, and you want to download the extension. As you can see, click on download, click again on add extension. Now after you add it, you want to click on the extensions icon here in the top, and you want to make sure you pin the extension. Click on this pin button here. Now after you pin it guys, you want to go down to the Shopify store, and as you can see, I want to import this product to my own Shopify store. Now this is another Shopify store, for example, other Shopify stores. So what we are going to do is you want to click here on the extension that says here Robo. Okay, the Robo extension, click on it, and now click on add to Shopify. Now you can make some changes to the product if you want, for example the description, images. If you want to import all images, you can select them here, select all images. Okay, now after that you want to click here, it says import, and you want to click on add product to Shopify. Now this exact product is going to be imported into your Shopify. It's going to be sent to your Shopify store. Just give it a few seconds and you will find that exact product inside your Shopify store. I'm going to go to my Shopify products, and here you will find the product here. As you can just give it a few seconds, and this exact product will be imported to your Shopify. So that's exactly guys how you can import products from other Shopify stores to your Shopify. You can do the exact same steps on any website. You just need to open the product page. Okay, that's exactly what you guys need to do. Okay, just need to open the product. As you can see, this is the product. Everything was imported, including the pictures, the text. Okay, so hopefully this one guys helped you. If it does, leave a like and see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.